Hey, good morning, everybody. Good to be with you here Monday morning, last day in July. Grain markets are lower here this morning. We've had some storms come through in Wisconsin. Personally, I've been without power since 10:30 Friday night, so we're coming up on just past 2 days here. They've been working hard. We had a power line down a couple houses over, so got an inch and a half of rain, some heavy winds, but corn around here is so short that didn't do much damage as far as that goes. Right now, we got December corn down 14 and a half this morning at 515 and three quarters. We've got no beans down 29 and a half at 1353. Wheat's down 15 to 20 right now. Really, this trade's all about weather, but let's talk about managed money here real quick. They did get net long corn here, 26,000. Beans starting to move up a little more into the substantial area, 120,000. Still net short wheat. Funds are long KC and I believe Minneapolis, but short the Chicago market, just not really moving from that position despite all the conflict in the Ukraine. So you'd like to see that the net long and beans. I think that could continue to add some support as far as corn. They covered those shorts, but really nothing to get excited about here. As I was saying, though, this trade right now is really just all about weather. Here's your 8 to 14 day temperature. I mean, you've got cooler temps coming in. We removed the hot, the hot weather is past us for now. Markets taking some premium out of this thing. Same thing on the precipitation side. You're starting to see better rains come in. So, again, that should really help beans and maybe get corn across the finish line. Here's your Euro model. Like I said, pretty consistent, widespread rains throughout the Midwest going into August 7th. And so that's a big reason why you're seeing these markets lower here this morning. The other thing we have to keep in mind too, and this is on the bear side, Brazil's a little more competitive here on corn and bean pricing. Beans are competitive with the U.S. into October timeframe, and for corn, they're competitive into November. So we know that the bean market, if the yield's going to drop, perhaps we need to do a little demand rationing in here. But nonetheless, really not a good sign that Brazil is competitive into the fall for both corn and beans. Want to take a look at the charts here real quick. November bean chart, kind of a wide box in here, 50-cent range. We'd expect support to hold in here from 13 to 13.50 unless the funds really flush out of that long position. They've probably got some staying power here in the market. Going over to the corn side, we'd call it 480 to 5. Obviously, we spent some time in there. There were some buyers down at 480. So, when you're looking at your corn chart, this is the area of support that we're looking at. We did a video here a little while back on selling puts to hedge your insurance premium, especially if we get down into that $5 area. We will link to that up above here. Be sure to check that out. We think it's a good strategy to use. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're more than happy to walk you through it, make sure that it's going to fit your operation. We'll have our information down below. Otherwise, I'll put our email across the screen here. So, hey, as always, we appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. We appreciate your support. And let's go out there and try and just get a little bit better today.